Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng nakakabilib na social media content gamit ang Kittl sa 2024. Maraming tools na pwedeng makatulong sa paggawa ng content, pero kung simplicity at magandang result ang hanap mo, Kittl stands out as a clear winner by far. Kung hindi ka pa familiar sa Kittl, ito ay isang madaling gamitin na design tool na pwede mong gamitin direkta sa browser. Hindi na kailangan mag-download. Plus, you can start using it for free with our exclusive link in the description below. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasign up, make sure that you use the link and get on Kittl for free today. Gagamitin din natin ng AI para gumawa ng content, pero may sarili ding AI ang Kittl that is going to streamline creating content for you. Tara, simulan na natin. Pagka-click mo sa description, dadalhin ka sa page na to. We're gonna go ahead and click on Try Kittl for free. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or just a regular email. So, ayun yung gagawin natin. Create a password and click Create Free Account. You're also gonna have to verify your email. Make sure na nakabukas yan at ready. It's gonna prompt you with a couple of questions just for Kittl to get to know you. So, anong gagamitin mo dito? Pwedeng piliin na lang natin yung Create Marketing Material. Tapos, sagutin mo kung paano mo sila nahanap at ilagay ang iyong experience level. You can also decide what you want to create first, but we're just gonna skip this for now kasi kailangan natin mag-create ng content first. Gusto kong maghanap ng inspiration dito. Makikita mo si Cody Sanchez na may 2.2 million followers at gumagamit siya ng graphics, swipe file, at iba pa sa page niya. Kaya gagamitin natin to bilang example. So here you can see it as a hook as well as an offer. He starts with a hook and then includes some sort of story, tying it back to herself, and finally goes into the steps. We're gonna use that simple formula or hook, story, offer, which is a very common copywriting formula. Then let's go ahead and open up ChatGPT. Kung hindi ka pa familiar dito, pwede kang mag-sign up para sa libreng account. Meron din silang paid plan, pero pwede ka pa rin mag-sign up para sa free plan. Naka-sign in na ako dito and may paid version ako. Pero ulitan ko, pwede mong gamitin na free version and that works well naman. Ang gagawin natin ay mag-create ng isang prompt. Ipapaliwanag ko kay ChatGPT kung anong gusto nating mangyari. Ang hook, syempre, para makuha yung attention, the story, to kind of tie it back to you, and the offer, obviously. Kung nagbebenta ka, you can pitch something along those lines. I also like to think about this as the actual content. So, tulad ng educational part, yun yung gagawin natin. Tignan natin kung anong ibibigay nito sa atin. It gives us content, and then obviously, we can go ahead and say, okay, we really like these tips. O pwede ka rin magbigay kay ChatGPT na nadagdag na words. So, obviously, ChatGPT created that from scratch. Kung meron ka ng 5 tips, pwede mo tong idagdag. And really, you want this to make it your own. So, make sure you give it the right prompts of what you're trying to get across when you are providing content and value. It's such a great start. If you wanted to address the hook, pwede natin tignan kung may ibang hook na mas magugustuhan natin. Dito makikita natin na may options tayo. Ito, I like this one. Living healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Start with these 5 simple changes. Okay, love it. Diba 30 seconds lang to get the content we're going for? So ngayon, punta tayo sa Kittl and actually create it. Now that we're on the homepage, what we're gonna do is use AI. Magka-create tayo from scratch. We'll go ahead and click new project and then they have different artboard sizes. So pupunta tayo sa social. And we're gonna go ahead and create a square post. Sige, i-click mo yan. What I want to start off by doing is using AI. Obviously, pwede tayo mag-create from scratch by manually adding the headline and the paragraph. Meron din silang mga templates dito. Pagpasok mo, makikita mo maraming templates. Pwede tayong gumamit ng swipe file o kaya gumawa ng carousel. May iba pang options. Pero mas gusto ko magsimula gamit ang AI kasi sa tingin ko, ito yung pinakamadali at saka pinaka-efficient. Wala dito, pwede tayong gumamit ng image generator, sets generator, o logo generator. Pero alam ko hindi tayo gumagawa ng logo. But I think that this is the one that makes the most sense. Okay. Sige, gusto ko to. Perfect. Tama, hindi tayo gumagawa ng logo pero gusto ko magsimula tayo dito kasi pwede natin itong gamitin bilang guide. Ang unang gagawin natin, dahil ginagamit natin to bilang inspiration, ay kunin kung ano man yung gusto natin dito. Okay, gusto ko yung kulay. If you wanna make it simple, pwede naman. This is just a starting point. So maybe we do wanna make it a little bit more simple. We'll highlight what we want and we'll go ahead and simplify it ng konti. Okay, kung gusto naman natin i-duplicate to, pwede nating isulat ang social media handle. Gusto ko itong i-align sa left para ma-edit o undo, pwede mo i-click ito o gamitin ng Command Z kung Mac ang gamit mo. Ayusin natin ng alignment. Siguro gusto natin gawing mas maliit ito ng konti. Again, I like those colors so I don't want to adjust that. Something she also has is this little blue check mark. Ang pwede mong gawin ay upload ang blue check mark dahil wala yan dito. Pwede tayo mag-search, punta tayo sa images at i-download natin to and save the image sa downloads. Okay, now we'll go ahead at i-upload natin ng image. Click lang natin to para madagdag. Perfect. Pwede natin i-X out ito para makita kung paano siya. Ngayon, babalik tayo sa ChatGPT at pipiliin natin yung living healthier doesn't have to be complicated, 5 simple changes. Dito makikita mo na maraming iba't ibang klase ng curves at iba pa na hindi natin siguro kailangan dahil gusto natin ma-make sure na madaling basahin. Pero tulad ng sinabi ko, this was a logo that we started with. Let's go ahead and reset the transformation. Ang ginawa ko lang ay click yung maliit na minus para mabura yun. Kailangan natin gawing mas maliit. Perfect. At ilagay ito sa baba. Hindi natin i-delete ito, pati rin ito. Siyempre, gusto natin make sure na madaling basahin. So, maybe this isn't the best font. Let's go ahead and take a look at some other ones. See, they have a bunch to choose from. Gusto ko lang mag-try ng konti until I found the one that works well. Ito, makikita mong shading. Pwede natin itong i-adjust. Depende sa gusto natin. Kung gusto naman natin itong alisin, i-click lang yung maliit na X. Let's go ahead and drop the shadow though. I want to make this white. I think this is perfect. Punta tayo sa Antonio na font. Again, nag-a-adjust lang tayo ng mga bagay-bagay dito. Tignan natin kung may arrow sila. Gusto kong gawing mas maliit to. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung angle, kaya tignan natin kung paano natin to pwedeng i-replace. You can also change the color, and again, all of your document colors are down here, which is really nice. For the images, let's just pick one. Piliin natin ang isa sa mga photos na yan. Pero bago yon, ang unang gagawin natin ay magdagdag ng mask para mailagay natin yung photo natin tulad ng ginagamit nating inspiration. Kung gusto mong i-group silang lahat, just highlight them and drag them over. Yan, ayos. Now we'll go to images. Go ahead and drag that in there. You can see the image tools. Pwede mong i-remove yung background. You can vectorize your image. Gumamit ng AI image upscaler to enhance the image. Now, here we go. We are looking pretty good. Of course, pwede mong i-adjust yan kung paano mo gusto. We're just gonna duplicate this page so we can have the same formatting and everything like that. Okay, duplicate. Ang galing. Now, let's go back to our inspiration. Ang gagawin natin is leave the heading up there. We're going to delete this. Tapos, i-duplicate natin. Because we're gonna use this font for the next portion. Ang susunod, the story. Go ahead and copy and paste that. So, kailangan medyo maliit siya. Okay, let's adjust this so it's readable. Perfect. At syempre, kailangan mag-work siya for your brand. So, if we wanna put it in the center or adjust it however we want, we can also adjust the weight. And again, you can do transformation, pero hindi natin gagawin yan dito. As well as text shading and text decoration. So, there's really just so much you can do and customize. And then, we're just gonna do the same thing again. Punta tayo dito, i-duplicate and go back to ChatGPT to copy and paste the next item. Ika-copy natin at paste yung body first. Move this to the center and then let's go ahead at mag-add ng heading. We want to make sure we're using the same font for this as cover name and then make the color the same. Tapos, balik, copy and paste. Pagkatapos, i-adjust natin to, siguraduhin natin na naka-align ito ng maayos. Kung gusto natin baguhin yung kulay o palitan to, pwede natin gawin yan. Lahat pwedeng i-customize. Ayan, tapos na. Syempre, gusto nating pagpatuloy ang process na to para sa bawat isa. At pagtapos ka na, i-click mo lang ang download. Pwede mo ring tignan ang mockup kung gusto mo. Piliin mo lang kung alin ang gusto mong gamitin. We'll go ahead and do the heading and then you can look at it on a laptop. You can adjust it and move it around. Para sa phone, you do have to be upgraded, which is perfect because I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best price possible with Kittl. Punta tayo ulit sa editor and again, all you do to download is click here. Pwede mo i-export all of them or you can decide the width, the height, as well as the upgraded plan. You can remove the background and optimize the quality. Tapos, just click download. So, how do you upgrade? What you're going to do is just upgrade. Kung gusto mo mag-upgrade is go back to the homepage and all you have to do is go to your account and click subscription. So, nakikita mo, they have options for everyone. So, what we're on right now is the free plan. Ito ay para lang sa mga nagsisimula sa pagda-design at explore ng Kittl. Sa free plan, makakuha ka ng 5 projects, 20 AI credits, at 0.5 gigabytes ng file storage. May access ka rin sa 10,000 plus professional templates, more than 1 million photos, graphics, at fonts. Kasama rin ang design, printing, at delivery. Moving on to the pro plans, meron silang monthly and yearly offer. Pero mas makakatipid ka kung mag-sign up ka para sa yearly subscription. So, the pro plan ay yung most recommended kasi great for individuals who need access to vector files, advanced editing, and AI tools. This comes out to $10 a month billed annually. So, ang total nito ay $120 annually. If you want to pay monthly, it's $15 per month. With the pro plan, you'll get everything in the free plan plus 50 projects, 30 AI credits per day, and 10 gigabytes of file storage, as well as access to all premium content, 10 million plus photos, graphics, and fonts, AI advanced features, high-risk vector exports, and full commercial license. Lastly, with the expert plan, it's $24 kada buwan paid annually, which comes out to $288, but you do save money if you go for the monthly plan. If you go for the monthly plan, which is $30 kada buwan, the expert plan is for professionals na kailangan ng even faster workflows at consistency in in their designs. Makukuha mo lahat ng benefits ng Pro Plan plus unlimited projects, 80 AI credits bawat araw, 100 gigabytes of file storage, access sa brand kits, 30 image-driven safe styles, priority customer support at access sa beta features. Talaga namang may plan para sa lahat. Make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get started today. So that wraps up this video. Overall, creating social media content with Kittl ay game changer when it comes to boosting your online presence and engaging your audience. Kung nakatulong sa yung video na to, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and small business owners to grow their online presence by providing expert tools, tips, and tutorials to take your business to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.